Hey everyone, let's create this traditional look, a classic wing liner with red lips. I have corrected the dark circles using orange corrector and a concealer and applied a very thin layer of foundation. To set the face, I'm using banana powder from the NYX contour palette. I'm also bronzing my face using the same palette. For blush, I'm using Essence blush, it's a peachy color. This Fix Plus is amazing. This is from CS Essentials. I'm using a nude liner on the waterline, defining the crease using Colourpop eye palette. On the lid, I'm using this darker brown shade and making sure that there are no harsh lines. Taking this gold on the finger and applying it on the center of the eyes just to give a halo eye effect, and also doing a tiny wing. So I'm starting from the outer corner of the eyes and then from the center. For lips, I'm using a darker shade on as a lip liner and red to fill the lips. Loads and loads of mascara. And here's the completed look. Hope you all enjoyed this look.